Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Make sure every camera is set to the same frame rate and resolution so footage aligns frame for frame. Once done, enable a common timecode or camera record run sync so devices share a timing reference. Next, pick your synchronization signal, a visual slate, loud clap, or electronic genlock, and position cameras to capture it clearly. You are starting the process now to avoid misalignment later and to keep post-production predictable and fast. You now execute the core synchronization, perform the sync event, a slate clap or electronic pulse, and record it simultaneously across cameras. While recording, monitor the feeds on a multi-viewer to confirm the event lines up visually and audibly. If using timecode, watch for matching timecode values. Make sure to log take numbers and any observed offset per camera, since small drift can occur. This verification step prevents wasted reshoots and gives you reference points for accurate alignment in editing. You finish by importing footage into your editing software and aligning clips using timecode first, then audio waveform matching if needed. Timecode handles bulk alignment, and waveform fixes tiny offsets. Once aligned, trim start points and check audio-visual sync at several moments within each clip to catch intermittent drift. After that, create a short multicam sequence and render a quick test to inspect playback. If you spot persistent drift, note which cameras are affected so you can apply speed adjustments or re-timecode them in bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.